Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my famous pasta. So for everyone that has tried my food and is wondering how I make that sauce, I'm going to show you guys how I make it. It's really easy. If you guys try this recipe, please tag me. I want to see your pictures. I want to see you guys recreate it. Now that we are in quarantine, it's a good time to learn how to cook. So yeah, that is why I'm here to show you guys. It's really easy. It takes less than 30 minutes and it's bomb. It's the best pasta you guys are ever going to try. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how I make this pasta, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so starting off with my ingredients, you are going to need a box of pasta. It does not matter what kind of pasta you use. I always tend to switch it up. And let me tell you guys that right now there is no pasta, absolutely none at the stores. I've gone like 4 days trying to look for pasta and today was my lucky day. So I found this one. This is the one I'm using. I also like to use fettuccine or just like regular spaghetti. It's all up to you. And then you're gonna need a pack of sausage. I just like to use the hot smoked one. That's what me and Jose prefer to use. And you are going to need heavy whipping cream. You are going to need a jar of, I guess, pasta sauce. But I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to use like the smallest amount of it. So yeah, I'm gonna need that. And then also chicken broth, some tomatoes, some garlic, Italian seasoning and parsley, and then just chicken breasts. And this recipe, I also like to use spinach, but again, because how things are looking right now, I could not get my hands on spinach, so that's fine. And yeah, these are the ingredients. Okay, so for the chicken, I just cut it up into like chunks, I guess. I put salt and pepper, and now I'm gonna throw it into the sartén with butter. Okay, so we have a special guest, my brother. So EJ is like in love with how I make this pasta and I'm going to teach him how I make it. So right now he's just cutting up the sausage into like little slices, and then we're gonna, once the chicken is fully cooked, we're gonna throw it in there. So I'm pretty sure you guys all know how to cook pasta, but in case you don't, you just boil your water, you add salt, and then you throw the pasta in. Okay, so I threw in the sausage already, and now Efren is cutting the tomatoes into little slices. Please don't cut yourself.
Ew, I'm getting nervous.
Yeah, throw them in. All of them. Okay, so now we're gonna. You can't open it.
My hands are wet. Sure. You get a good, have a super now.
Okay, so you're only going to pour like half of it. So go. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Okay, is that half?
I think so, yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah, okay. And then you're gonna pour the whipping cream?
All of it?
No.
Half? Oh,
Yeah, kind of like that too. I am Mexican. I don't know how to use measurements, guys. Okay, so. Keep going. Okay, stop. And now you're gonna put the chicken broth. It's open already.
Oh my god.
Okay, stop. And then mix it. Okay, now you're gonna take off the pasta and drain it.
The pasta. What does that mean? Oh, put
Like-
it all on the drainer.
Yeah. It's already there.
Just put it here.
Yeah. Okay, so So for our final step,
This water.
it's okay. We're just gonna pour the pasta into the sartén and then just mix everything together. Be careful, don't drop it.
I always do that when I cook.
So we have our taste tester here. Tell me what you think.
I get a piece of everything.
Don't burn yourself, it's hot. Is it good? 5 stars? 10 stars? Okay guys, so that is how I make the pasta. It is super easy. Did you learn something?
Yes, I know how to make fish.
Okay, so yeah, if you guys try it, please tag me. I want to see how it comes out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.